Hey, it's Strong Lines. In this video, using AutoHotkey to manipulate Excel, I'm going to cover sorting rows. This one was a bit more complex to program, but it's simple to use. So let's say I have my Excel sort and sort rows. So Excel goes here. I'm going to throw in a comma. Now it's going to ask for what range. So I want A1 down to F9 in this instance. And then the sort row, let's start off with the header row. So I'll just say 1. And we'll sort it descending. Save, reload, run. And notice it alphabetized them going across the rows and sorted my data left to right, so to speak. I can, of course, swap that with A. And it'll change that. But I can also change the row. Let's say I wanted to sort it on row 4. And then look at row 4, right? It's all going ascending / descending. This, I know, doesn't come up too often, but boy, when it does, it's super handy because sorting things by row, mouse clicking wise, is not nearly as quick as it is in Excel. By the way, here's a quick tip for sorting columns. If you come in here and I hit sort, it's going to sort off of this one because I started here. So let's say sort of ascending. But if I happen to click over here and start this way, it will sort by that column. So whatever column you start on and click, if you go left to right. So if you wanted to sort stuff off the right, if you just select starting there, it'll sort by that way. Anyway, I know that doesn't fit with this video, but it is a cool tip. Cheers.